Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the hazmat suit in the new Fish It Roblox update. So as you know, the new Fish It update is finally here, and there are new things in here that you need to know. As you know that now Kohana Volcano is expanded, so there are lots of updates in here, which includes new area that you can enter by using or by wearing the hazmat suit. And here I'm going to show you where to find the hazmat suit and how you can get it. So first, you can just go inside the Kohana Volcano and you need to find this NPC near the new area. Okay, this one, the hazmat leader. You need to talk to him to start the quest so you can unlock this hazmat suit. So you can just talk to him and click on hazmat suit quest, and after that the quest will be activated. This one, suited up. So there are two missions that you need to finish. The first one, you need to catch 1,000 magma or lava fish, and the second one, you need to earn 2 million coins. So I've already finished the first one, but here I'm still try to finish the second mission. So after you finish these two missions, you can unlock the hazmat suit, so you can go down to the new area. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.